Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Lab. Today, we will learn how to keep talking even if you don't know much English. Sometimes, when we speak English, we suddenly stop. We don't know what to say next, or we don't know how to answer questions. This happens because we feel confused or nervous. But don't worry, there's no need to be scared. Today, I will teach you some easy tricks so you never run out of things to say. Let's get started. Ever get stuck while speaking English? You want to say something, but the words just disappear. It's okay. It happens to many people. You are not alone. Let me help you. Sometimes your mind goes blank. You feel nervous. You want to speak, but the words don't come out. Here's what you can do. First, pause. Take a deep breath. It's okay to slow down. Second, use simple words. You don't need perfect English. Say what you know. Small sentences are enough. Third, ask a question. If you forget what to say, ask, "What do you think?" or "What about you?" This keeps the conversation going. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying. Speak slowly, speak simply, and never give up. Keep learning with Simple English Lab. You start a conversation. Then, suddenly, silence. You don't know what to say next. It feels awkward, right? Don't worry, I've got your back. Many people face this problem. It's normal to feel stuck sometimes. The good news is you can learn how to keep talking. Here are 3 simple tips to help you. First, relax. Take a slow breath. Don't rush your words. Second, repeat what the other person said. If they say, "I like music," you can say, "You like music? That's cool." Third, ask questions. Questions keep the conversation alive. Try asking, "What kind of music do you like?" Remember, talking is practice. The more you speak, the easier it gets. Keep going. You're doing great. Thanks for watching Simple English Lab. What if you never ran out of things to say, even in English? Sounds great, right? Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple tricks to keep any conversation going. Starting and continuing a conversation can be hard for many people. Sometimes you don't know what to say next, but it doesn't have to be that way. First, ask questions. People love to talk about themselves. So ask simple questions like, "What do you like?" or "Have you ever tried this?" Second, listen carefully. When someone talks, pay attention. It helps you respond easily. Third, talk about what you see or feel, like the weather or the place you are in. For example, "It's a sunny day today." Try these tricks and watch your conversations grow. Thanks for joining me at Simple English Lab. Most people stop speaking because they forget one small word. It's normal to feel stuck sometimes. You might want to say something, but that one word just doesn't come. But guess what? You don't need big or fancy words to keep talking. Simple words work just fine. You can say the same idea with easy words you already know. For example, instead of saying, "I am exhausted," you can say, "I am very tired." See? Both mean the same thing. The most important thing is to keep talking. Don't stop because of one word. Practice small sentences every day. You will get better and better. Remember, speaking English is about trying, not being perfect. Thanks for watching Simple English Lab. No grammar rules, no textbook learning. Sounds good, right? Here we focus on real simple tips to help you speak English naturally. You don't need to memorize long rules or study from heavy books. What you need is practice. Practice speaking with simple sentences. Try to use words you know. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Talk about things you see, feel, or like it's a sunny day or I like this song. Keep it easy and real. That's the best way to improve. So join me here at Simple English Lab. Let's learn together, simply and naturally. Thanks for watching.